Welcome to Innoven Foods. Today I am sharing one of our simplest yet most comforting traditional recipes, the soft and warm rice chitoi pitha. Let's start the recipe. Take 1 cup Atop rice. Chitoi pitha dates back hundreds of years in rural Bengal as a winter delicacy. Traditionally, it was cooked in clay molds placed over the wood-fired stoves. And soak it for 2 hours. Wash well. Now pour into a blender. Add 1/4 cup water and blend until completely smooth. Ensure the rice batter is blended perfectly smooth for soft pitha. Pour the batter into a bowl. Now add 1 cup water. Mix well. The name chitoi comes from the round, shallow shape of the pitha. This pitha is often enjoyed with jaggery, coconut or hot lentil gravy. The batter should be thin but not watery. This creates the classic airy texture. Add half teaspoon salt and half teaspoon baking powder. Mix well to form a thin, flowing batter. Heat a pan. Spread oil. Sprinkle water and remove the excess. Always preheat the pan well before pouring the batter. Pour the batter into the pan. Rice provides steady energy that keeps you full for longer. Homemade pitha avoids additives and preservatives found in packaged snacks. Cover and cook for 5 minutes on medium heat. Do not flip the pitha. Steam cooking under the lid keeps it soft and spongy. Rice pitha is naturally gluten-free and gentle on digestion. Steaming instead of frying makes this recipe light and healthy. Your warm and soft chitoi pitha is ready. Simple, traditional and always comforting. Make it at home and let me know how it turns out. For more home-style recipes, stay connected with Innoven Foods. See you again with another easy and delicious dish.